This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering devices and confirming basics. Charge the controller above 50% and turn your switch on to the home menu. Next, make sure the console is awake and not in sleep. This ensures the pairing process won't time out. Check the controller's LED pattern so you know what to watch for, Joy-Con rail lights versus Pro controller LEDs, and locate the sync button. Once done, you're ready to initiate the actual connection sequence. You press and hold the sync button for about 3 to 5 seconds. You'll see the controller LED begin to blink rapidly. That's the device advertising itself. Then, on the switch, choose Controllers, then change Grip/Order to Open Pairing Mode. The console actively scans for controllers. Make sure you hold the controller near the switch. Bluetooth range matters. When the blinking LED slows and a player number appears, the switch has assigned the controller, and the pairing phase is complete. You should now confirm functionality by testing buttons and sticks from the home menu. If something feels off, recalibrate or remap in controllers and sensors. To finalize, customize button mapping or assign the controller to a different player slot if needed. If the LED never stabilizes or the switch won't detect it, restart the console first, then reattempt the sync. Make sure no active Bluetooth interferers are nearby. If problems persist, check for firmware updates or try wired connection to isolate the fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.